Hi, this is how you sign up for office hours. The purpose of office hours in our class is to ensure that you get face-to-face time with me to make sure that you're keeping up on assignments and you understand all the requirements of the course. During the course of our 8 weeks together, you will be asked to meet with me twice during designated weeks. I'm going to show you how to find those on our calendar. From our homepage, click on the link that says View Course Calendar. Once you're in our course calendar, you're going to go over here to the right where it says Appointments, and you're going to click on the box that says Find Appointment. Then you'll select the calendar that you want to look at, which is LAS 85, because that's our course. Click Submit, and our office hours show up down here. Once you see an office hour that works for your schedule, you click on the time. It gives you details about where we meet and why we meet. You can put any comments in here that you want me to know prior to our meeting, anything that you want to cover or any questions that you have specifically for that office hour time, and you click Reserve. Each office hour appointment is for 10 minutes only, so please be on time. That's how you sign up for office hours. Thanks.